Hello and welcome to video number 3 of a spatial analysis series. In this video, I'm going to talk about queries. Before starting to talk about queries, I want to talk about geography and geometry data type. If you remember, we talked about the tables in previous videos, and two tables we had that contain latitude and longitude. What was those tables? Those table, we had one for city and the other one was country. In country, we have the latitude and longitude for the countries, and in the city table, we have latitude and longitude for the cities. If you want to make a query, a spatial query on the country or on the city, we need to have a point. We need to recognize that area. SQL needs to know to see it as a point. So to make it a point, to create a point, so we can use this script to create the point, create a new attribute. As you see here, alter table name. It can be, for example, country, or it can be city, and then add hypercenter. This is the name. You can choose whatever name you want. And then the type is geography. And based on this script, you can have a new column that contains both latitude and longitude, and we can run the query on that. I also did create a spatial index. Just as an example, a spatial index, you can have a spatial index on geography attribute to run the queries more efficient and faster. When I say queries, I mean spatial queries, especially when you have thousands of records. So as you see here, I have index on hypercenter in city table and also index on hypercenter in country table. I'm going to show you two queries here that I used spatial information in those queries in SQL. So the first query, as you see here, I try to gather the information of the highest rating movie or TV series, the country name, the city, temperature, and the point, the geography information of the place that submitted the highest rating. And the second query, I gathered the information for the lowest rating movie or TV series and the country name and city that submitted that lowest rating, temperature, and the geography information of that city. And what happened here? I try to find the distance between these two cities, the one that submitted the highest rating and the one that submitted the lowest rating by 1,000, that divided by 1,000, which tells me the kilometer. So here, just quickly review this one. So as you see, H rate, I have one variable here, L rate, one variable here. So with this query, I gather the point of the place that put the highest rate and the point that submitted the lowest rate here. And then with this command, so I found the distance between these 2 points on Earth. So here, as you see here, this is the result, highest rating, lowest rating, and 6,869,000 kilometers. The second query, here I try to find out the highest rated movies and the country of the production of those movies or TV series. So this is the highest rating TV series or movies and the country of the productions. Then I try to make a polygon. As you see here, United Kingdom, Spain, South Korea, China, United States again, United States here. So then I try to make a polygon. The polygon that I made is UK to China, the line, if you imagine the lines, UK to US, US to South Korea, South Korea to China, then I made a polygon here. And then as you see here, I also validate the polygon if the polygon is closed properly and it is valid. So as you see here, I made a polygon. And then with this query, I try to find out who were submitted the highest rating, and then if that place, if that city that submitted the highest rating is within the polygon or has an intersect with the polygon. As you see here, this is the result. It says ST contains. It means that the query contains geography information. ST intersects. Yes, the city that submitted the highest rating for the movie or TV series has an intersect. ST overlap, there is no overlap between that city and the polygon. And ST within zero, that city is not within that polygon. And this is the information about the query that I wanted to share with you. In next query, I'm going to show you all these queries in SQL. Thank you. Have a great day.